for it, name. Okay, the name for it will be gender. Gender. The name will be gender, and the value. The value is male. Also, let's make it both. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing to the female. So first of all, let's create the label for the female. Label also with the gender, sorry. Gender for the female, and the gender name, female. So when we run this now, it's only the female that will show on our screen. It's only the female that will show on our screen. Okay, so let's enter the inputs now. Inputs. Okay, the input now will be radio. The input is radio, and the name also will be gender. Name, gender. Okay, and the value will be female. Value will be female, and we can also make it both. The arrow is to make both. Okay, now we need to create a submit button. That means if the person finish entering all this information, we need to submit it. So we are using inputs for that, and the type of input is submit. Submit. That's the type of inputs, and the value you will submit. Submit form. Okay, we are done creating our form. So let's just save, and let's go and see what we just created. Okay, so now let me run it. Okay, so this is the form we created. We can now enter name here. Let me see, enter my name, last name. But we notice that our label is not showing, so something is wrong somewhere. But let me enter my name. Okay, so I can select between male and female. Select between male and female and submit. Okay, so it's telling me that our network is bad, but you know, we've not connected it to the database or whatever. So when we connect it to the database, that is when we begin to enjoy it. So we have created our button, but the label is not showing. Maybe we actually put it on top of each other, or something is wrong somewhere that makes our label not to show. So let's go back to our code and find out what the problem is that makes our label not to show. So we have a label for first name, which is not showing. Label for last name, which is not also showing. We also have label for gender, male, it's not showing also. Gender for female is also not showing. So let's just try to remove this and see if that is the case. Let me remove this. Let me remove this also. Okay, so let me run it again now and see if that is the case. Okay, so we have male